Hi children, now we learn about our remaining part of the lesson, plants our green friends. Okay, in first part of the video we learned about different shape and size of the leaves, part of the leaf, and leaves are food factories of plants. Means inside the leaves of the plants food is prepared. Okay, now we see here today storage of food made by the leaves. Now leaves are prepare their food. Okay, so all prepared food is not used at once, so some food is left or some food is unused by plants, and this unused or left food is converted into starch and stored in different parts of the plants. See here, in the root, flowers, stem, fruits, leaves, seeds. Remaining part or excess amount of food is stored in different parts of the plants in the form of root, flower, stem, fruits, leaves, seeds. These all are the excess amount of food, okay, stored in different parts of the plants. Now we see here unusual plants. Now generally plants are green in color, okay, but nowadays some colored plants are also available. Now let us find out about these plants. Now plants with red colored leaves. Now croton plant is given here. This croton plant is having a red colored leaves. Okay. So this red colored substance is hidden the green color chlorophyll substance. Chlorophyll is present in that plants, but this colored substance is hidden the green color chlorophyll. So these plants are looks like red colored leaves, but they are also prepare their own food material because of the presence of chlorophyll substance. Okay. Plants with spines like leaves. Now some plants like cactus plants like a spine like leaves. These cactus plants are looks like a spine like leaves because leaves are converted into these spines. Actually there is a leaf like structure is present here. Okay, this is look like a leaf, but it is not a leaf, it is a stem, and leaves are converted into spines and or thorn like structures are present. These are the leaves. Now why they are thorn like structures or why they are spine like leaves are present on the cactus, there is also other reason. We seen this is in your next lesson. Now parasitic plants. Now parasitic plants means some leaves of plants do not have any chlorophyll. Now if the plants chlorophyll pigment is present, that only they are prepare their own food material. Okay, so in some plants chlorophyll pigment is not present, so such type of plants are depends on other plants for their food and nutrition. So this type of plants are called parasitic plants. Now there is also two type parasites plants, total parasites and partial parasites. Total parasites means dodder plants is given here. Dodder plant, this is the total parasites, means this dodder plants it totally depends on other plants for their food and nutrition. Okay, mistletoe plant is a partial parasites. Partial parasites means this is having a green color substance in that plants, means these plants are prepare their own food material, but they are depends on other plants for their water and some nutrients. Means these plants are having a chlorophyll pigment, so they prepare their own food material, but water and some nutrients they are depends on the other plants, so they are the partial parasite. Partial parasites means halfly they are depends on other plants. Okay. Now plants and animals depends upon each other. Now plants depends on animals for carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is given out by animals during the process of breathing. Okay, when the animals are breathe, that time they are take inside oxygen and carbon dioxide is given out, and plants produce oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, when the plants are prepare their food material, that time oxygen is released in the atmosphere. So this released oxygen is used by animals. Now, which is required by animals for the process of respiration. Now, animals also depends on plants for food, wood, shelter and other important things. Animals are depends on the plants for oxygen and food. See here, cycle is given here. These animals are depends on the plants for their oxygen and food, and plants are depends on the animals for carbon dioxide. Means plants and animals are depends upon each other. Okay, some new words are also given here, and red colored words are also new for you. So you write down these red colored words in your notebook into time and learned it. Question and answer are also given here. These question answer are also you write down and learn it. Okay children, thank you. If you like my video, then you subscribe and like the videos. Okay, thank you.